How can I fix my car's jerking idle problem?
In this video, we'll be discussing how to identify and fix a jerking idle problem in your car. We'll cover common causes, ways to diagnose the issue, and steps to resolve it. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle this issue head-on and get your car running smoothly again.
What causes a jerking idle problem?
There are several reasons why a car might experience a jerking idle problem. Some of the most common causes include 1. Vacuum leaks. Hoses or gaskets can develop leaks, leading to a lean fuel mixture and causing the engine to run poorly. 2. Dirty or faulty idle air control (IAC) valve. The IAC valve regulates the amount of air entering the engine at idle. If it's dirty or malfunctioning, it can lead to an unstable idle. 3. Failing spark plugs or ignition coils. These components are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine, and if they're not functioning properly, the engine may not run smoothly. 4. Clogged fuel injectors or fuel filter. A restricted fuel supply can cause an engine to struggle, leading to a jerky idle. 5. Worn or damaged engine mounts. These mounts hold the engine in place and absorb vibrations. If they're worn, they can cause excessive vibration and jerking at idle.
How do I diagnose the issue?
To diagnose a jerking idle problem, follow these steps. 1. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses and gaskets for signs of wear or damage, and listen for hissing sounds around the engine while it's running. 2. Inspect the idle air control valve. Remove the IAC valve and check for dirt or carbon buildup. Clean it with a throttle body cleaner if necessary. 3. Test spark plugs and ignition coils. Remove and inspect the spark plugs for wear, and test the ignition coils with a multimeter to ensure they're functioning properly. 4. Examine the fuel system. Inspect the fuel injectors for clogs and replace the fuel filter if it's been a while since the last replacement. 5. Check the engine mounts. Look for signs of wear, cracking, or damage on the engine mounts, and replace them if necessary.
How do I fix the problem?
Once you've identified the cause of your car's jerking idle problem, follow these steps to fix it. 1. Fix vacuum leaks. Replace any damaged hoses or gaskets, and use a vacuum gauge to ensure the system is sealed properly. 2. Clean or replace the idle air control valve. If cleaning the IAC valve doesn't resolve the issue, consider replacing it with a new one. 3. Replace spark plugs and ignition coils. If they're worn or not functioning properly, replace the spark plugs and ignition coils to ensure proper combustion. 4. Clean fuel injectors and replace the fuel filter. Use a fuel injector cleaner to clean the injectors and replace the fuel filter to ensure a steady fuel supply. 5. Replace worn engine mounts. If the engine mounts are worn or damaged, replace them to minimize vibrations and stabilize the engine at idle. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix your car's jerking idle problem. Regular maintenance and inspection of your car's components can help prevent this issue from occurring in the first place. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for specific guidance and consider seeking professional help if you're unsure about any of the steps involved.